I don't know if I ever tell you guys about it, but I'm day trading on it today. I'm gonna see how this one turn out. Let's see how far we can get so far. All right, so far we got let's see what I got in my portfolio here. It's a beautiful coin, been out there for a while, been on the market for a good while. Let's click on it and see what's going on. It says up by 11% right now. I think it's going down. I could have sold it a little bit higher, but I say I'm gonna show you guys a little bit about it. So let's see. All right, so you know what I did here, I set up a limit sell at 11 and it went up to 10.965. I missed the limit sell, but I think it's gonna make a big jump and jump to around 11 too. But right now it's down. Let's see. Based on the pattern that is showing here, I think it may make a big jump. Let me try to get something to highlight it. Let me use this tool here. All right, let's see what we got. None other than the Lovely Finance guys. If you want to know how you can buy this one, it's on BitMart. I'm using BitMart for my trading stuff. So let's see here. Get rid of this and we go back to this and we great. All right, now so right now it's at make another drop. See, it was 83 I think when I come on the live. Now it's at 77.9 and my limit sell is at 11, so it's going back down with the money. I could have sell it and get out, but I say let me see if I can squeeze it. But you see, when you see the play head right here, the candlestick right here is kind of even. Most of the time it goes back down instead of going up. That's what I notice. That's something that I notice also, guys. You can anytime these candlesticks are even, it may drop. If you look right here, it went back down right there also. And if you look right here, we have an even and it went back down. So most of the time when it's even, it went back down instead. But if it's a little uneven, most of the time it continue to go up. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna give it a little time. Let me give it another 15 minutes and see what happens. I'm literally in the profit right now. Now it's really going down. It's really going south. So I think I should just I'm gonna let it go. It shouldn't come. It shouldn't pass. This is where it should go, right here. That's the base. That's the lowest it should go for today. And then try to go across. And once you start going across, then we can decide what I'm going to do. But I should have definitely sell at 1096. Because at 1096, I could be buying back right now and be in the profit. So it's going back up a little bit, 1075. So let me show you my limit sell. If you go right here, scroll down. So all the people on this side, they are selling. You can see they're buying. You can see where they set up their buying hall. Over here is selling. So you can see when those big sellers are coming up. And if you want to jump out before, you can jump out before. You can set your buy. You can set your sell before that person. So for instance, if you see someone like right here, sometimes moving so fast you can't even see it. If you set this person right here, you see it's going so fast I can't even show. If one person's planning on selling 4 billion and another person planning on selling 1 billion, those are the only two people I see that's selling in the billions. So let's look at the volume. The volume is right here, is at 137,000 within the last 24 hours. So Lovely Finance have a little bit of money in the bank. You understand? But one thing I also notice about the volume, guys, this is a secret. I'm going to tell you guys this secret. The volume is very important for you guys to learn how to read. I'm going to tell you the secret about the volume, okay? When the volume go up, the coin drop. So I want you to take note of this. When the volume right here go up, that this little part goes up. It's where I say 39, 139. Okay. When that goes up, that means if you move from 139 to 150, you can sell because it's gonna drop. All right, once again, I have to make sure that I give you guys a disclaimer. If it goes up to 150, that's when I think I should sell. So I'm not telling you go sell and then you say I tell you to sell. But this is what I noticed. I want you to follow it, watch it, and do your analysis and see how you come out if what I'm saying is true. I notice when it go up, the coin go down, the money go down, and when it go down, it comes up. So right now I'm gonna watch this indicator. If it go up to back to 142, I'ma sell because I know it may come. Sometimes it take 24 hours because this is a 24 hours volume. This is what the buyers buy within the last 24 hours. And this work with every coin, not just this coin. Majority of the coin that I watch, this is how they work. When the volume is going up, trust me, and you think you're good, the coin drop. Now, also right here is some key indicator. If you look right here, you will see the highest it went and the lowest within the past 24 hours. So the highest it went was 50 minutes ago when it went up to 1096. So that's a good indicator also for you to watch. And the lowest it went to was 96.96. So if it goes back to 96, it would be right about where it is right now, really close to where it is around right here. Around right here. Not far from where it is right now. Let me see if I can do it this way. And if that happened right here, I would still be in profit. So I buy it when it was way lower than what it is right now. No, I'm wrong. I buy it at 10.3. So if it go down to 96, I'll be in the loss. So let's take a look at one more thing that I really want to show you guys while we wait, because I'm going to sell this right in front of you guys' eyes. Let me show you my limit set up right here. So going back down. All right, so if you're on this page and you want to see your limit sell or your limit buy, just click on sell or buy at the bottom. And once it comes up, you're going to click right here, which is right here. Once you click there, it's going to bring you to another page. All right, so come on, yeah. This is all the limit sell that I have set up right now. So this is some live stuff you guys get in. So I can cancel all right here if I don't want to sell these anymore. Or I can just go ahead and cancel just the lovely right here and sell it at market price. You see I got it set up right here for 11. And I got my Dodge AI set up for 51. I don't know what's going on with 51. It should hit 51 already. What's going on with Dodge? And I got some Roth because I just think this Roth should have doubled my money. And then I'll jump out. But I set it to go to 5. I'm going to leave it for 5 days to go to 5. I'm just going to leave that because I only put $26 in it. If it go up to 5, I would make $65. Trust me, guys, that really that's a little bit of money, but it's okay. If I get the $65, I'm going to use it and buy something else, like ladies or Dodge AI again, or maybe something with substance. Or yeah, maybe I invested back in Roth. Depends on how Roth started to do. But for right now, I just put $26 over there. So let's see where Dodge AI is, because that should have so long time ago. Let's see. Let's see what this look like. All right. Once you touch it, it automatically switch. So now we on the Dodge AI at the top right there. All you have to do now is just click on this right here at the top. So it's a 46 and it's down also. So if I did sell that Lovely Finance at 96, I would have come back and buy Dodge right here, the Dodge AI right here, and that would be a good buy. Because Dodge AI can go right here, but this would still be a good buy right here. So I kind of messed up right on that one. So I'm gonna have to make up for it by the end of the day. Sale. Yeah, and that would be my second sale for the day. Um, Yesterday I make 4 sale. Let's see something. All right, now, and you see what I told you guys? I told you that Dodge AI should come right here. And you see, it's still trending down. It's still coming down. Look at this candlestick right here. It's coming down. Okay, this is literally right here is the floor for it. This is the support. Anywhere here. If it pass right that line, let me make that line a little bit better. If it pass this line right here, it's going south. All right. Trust me, if it passed that line, we're in trouble. This was the highest that it went last night. I was watching it and I didn't sell either, but it's all good. And then let's see. That's the support. It can also, if it pass this line right here, let me show you where it's gonna stop. If it pass this line, it's gonna come down to this line and then head back up. So those are some key indicator that you can use. And how you see it's still trending down. Wow. Still coming down. Still coming down. Right. It reached where I say it should be going back up. So let's watch it now and see if what I'm saying is true. So in another 4 minutes, we should get a green. In another 10 minutes to 10 to 15 minutes, we should get a green candle right here. We should get a green candle right here going back this way. And then it may do this again to create an M, mean money. So once it go back to 49, it haven't hit 50 for a couple of days now. Once you go back to 49, that's going to be a place where you sell again. You're going to sell right there because that's where it's going to. It's going to 49, coming back down, going back up, coming back down, going back up. If you break through the 49 barrier, that means you're going to run all the way to maybe 55, 60, 55, 57, somewhere there. So you'd sell 50% or 75% right at 49 and watch it to see if you're going to run back. Right when you hit 49, 50, a lot of people is going to sell. Let me show you how I know that. If you look right here, you see they already set up their limit sell over here. Ready to pounce. You see that? See a lot of people, they got 46, 46, 46. A lot of 46ers ready to sell. But when these 46ers sell, you're going to switch out to some people who are selling at 47, 48, 49, and 50. When you get to 50, you're going to have a lot of sellers. You're going to drop back. You're going to make a quick drop to around 49.5. And that's when you're going to make the panic sell when you see that big drop. You have to hold. If you really want to go up, you hold a little bit. And then once you hold, it's going to jump up again. And if it jump through that little mesh and go through that 50 barrier and go to 50.5 or 50.7 or 51, you know they can't stop it because they shake off everybody. Is when they sell right here at 50 and it drop, it pick up some of these people over here. And that's the money that he's using to go back up real quick. So every time the coin it doesn't matter where it is. All right, see, it's right at my support line right now. So let's see if we're going to form that green candle going back up right at my support line, guys, right here. This is exactly where I say it should start going back up right now. So if I was buying, that's where I would buy, right there. If it passes that line, give it up, guys. It's coming all the way down. Trust me. And Let's see what's going on. All right, so we got some good stuff here. Still at the support line. So don't get panic. You got you got a good time to go. You got all day, guys. Today's Sunday. Today's when crypto really do its thing. See, I'm saying crypto do its thing on Sunday. So let's see what happened. Crypto do great stuff on Sunday. The stock do its thing on Monday. So we at the support line, so we should be going back up right now. Any minute now, this candlestick should turn green and go right back up. Let's see if we got it right on the money. Right here, it should be going back up. And once it hit this little mark right here, we can expect a drop. I think the drop is gonna be like, let me show you guys what the drop gonna be. 1, 2, right here, and then we're gonna drop right here, I think about rather, which is 48, a little bit higher around right here, and then head back up and then go straight up. That's what I'm predicting. So I'm predicting this in the next 4 hours we should be looking like that. But for right now, in the next 10 minutes we should have a green candlestick. And if we have that green candlestick, guys, I want you guys to just understand. I'm just teaching you guys how to read the chart. If we pass this support line, which it seems like we barely pass, expect it to stop right here. It's going to be a lot of crying coming down. And then I don't think it's going to go that far. That's just my gut feelings. It looks serious though, but don't panic yet. Turn back. That's where they normally turn back. Let's see. That's a serious candlestick right there. Serious one. Let me jump off of it for a little bit. That's Dodge AI. Let me take a look at Lovely Finance. So Lovely Finance was going crazy too. Look like it's coming back down also. Let's take a look at it. Why is it not going up? Wow. Yeah. Dropped big time. All right. So Lovely Finance is doing the same thing, heading back south. But I think we may be able to go back up north. All right, one more thing we need to look at. What Bitcoin is doing. So they're gonna follow Bitcoin. So let's take a look real quick over what Bitcoin is doing over here. If Bitcoin is heading back up, we don't have to worry. He's gonna shoot back up real quick. So let's go back to the main page and look at Bitcoin. All right, Mr. Bitcoin, where are you? All right, so Bitcoin. Okay. All right, so Bitcoin went down. That's why everything dropped. And you know which kind go up when Bitcoin come down? M content. So you see, if you look right here, Bitcoin have the same candlestick as the AI Dodge and the Lovely Finance, and Bitcoin is now started to bump up a little bit. So you remember I tell you it was supposed to start going back up, and it's less than 10 minutes and it's heading back up right now. So I'm reading the chart really, really good. So now let's go back to my asset and see what's going on. Asset is over here. All right, let's go back into this one. And then this one here. Okay, so look at Lovely Finance first, because that's the one that we really want to sell at 11. Okay, and remember, it can take a couple minutes after Bitcoin. Okay, you see, we get the exact same thing. Finance just started to go back up already. Now, let's see what Dodge AI doing, because that's the one that we were really marking up. Right here, over here. Let's see what you're doing, mister. Okay. Yeah, we start getting a little bit of up movements now. Good job. Because remember, I tell you that this was going to be your support line right here, because you see all these little bushes right here. That's where you know where the support line is. That's where it bounced from the last time. And then it will come there and stop and go back up again. Or it can come all the way down here before it go back up. All the way down here is two things, either here or here. But we see a little movements back up already. So we think we're in good business. All right, let's see what's going on. Let's see here. We have a whole bunch of stuff. One more green candlestick and we fine. We just want to go right back up to, if we can go back up here by the end of the day, we'd be fine. Perfectly fine. Let's see what happened in the last 15 minutes. It won't show crazy. Ooh, see that? All downhill. And that's in the last 15 minutes. 15 minutes, guys. And then let's see, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 day. Should have been fluctuating within the past day. Yep, so we got some good data here to look at. Great stuff. Let's just enjoy the moment. Seems like we can make some money by the end of the day. Don't let this drop fool you guys. This drop will go back up and make you a lot of money. Trust me. This one is, this is how they test your faith. They're shaking off some people right now. A lot of people jumping overboard because they're not going into. This is when you have to be strong. Because this candlestick right here, that was a bad boy. Bad boy. Right there. Tell me what you think. All right. I'm not leaving until I see that green candlestick, guys. Wow. Had another red. It's going. Woo. Had another red. It's just going down for real. So this one is telling us that we can go to rock bottom right here all the way down. We could end up all the way down. Remember, it's not far away. It's still trying to bump back up right here, but we could be down here anytime soon. That's not what I want, but that's what it looks like gonna happen. Yep. So seems like the prediction is not that bad because it's hanging in there. Holding on for its life. I'm telling you. Okay, yeah. Let's hold it on, guys. You just have to learn how to live with the red candlestick, just like the green one. So when you see red, you don't get panic and jump off the ship. Because once you jump off, you may not be able to get back on. And I think this red going to turn back into a green. and go back up north. Let's see. And remember, this is the roof. This is the basement. We needed to go all the way back. This is the floor. Let's do it again. Roof, floor, basement. All right, so we got a roof, a floor, and a basement. So, if you fall off the top, you're going to hit the floor, and then you're going to possibly roll down into the basement. So that's what's going on right now. So we have to see where we're going to stop. If we're going to stop at the roof, we are ready. Not at the roof, so we could stop on the floor, and don't bother go down into the basement and then turn back and try to get back up on top of the roof. Hopefully. One more shot. Give it a shot. All right, guys. So I'm going to hand it, but I already show you guys exactly what's going to happen. So just watch those key features. It's going back up right now. So I'm leaving you guys in good hands because it's going back up. And also, our prediction was right. My prediction was pretty much straight this time. And you can always get these things right, but I'm on point so far. I want you to just go ahead and watch my limit video. The link is going to be in the description. Just watch um, the how to set up limit buy and limit sell. All right. Once again, thank you for stopping by, and we gone for the rest of the day. We may come back based on how the market doing.